Everyone, I wanted to share with you all my planner accessories haul part 2. This was my first time ordering from Fox and Pip. I got an acrylic page marker. I got it in skinny. They also had a wider version. And I got an acrylic ruler. They make all of their acrylic items. And I just think this ruler is so pretty. Here's a closer look of it. And it's so girly. I love the iridescent color. And I just had to have it. Next shop is V's Planning Spot Shop. I love that she wrote a little handwritten note. Little details like that and little things to show appreciation makes you want to shop at that shop again. And I love supporting her shop. She has beautiful accessories. So let's take a look at what I bought. So these were the freebies that I got. I ended up getting a little bag of different shop stickers. She did that for the first few orders during the Planner Boss Collective sale. And I like it because I get to see shops that were in the sale plus shops I never knew existed and get to see how their stickers work. So I'm happy I ended up getting this. This was the little freebie that I got from her shop. So this was the first one I picked up. It's a rose in rose gold and a pink pearl. I love surprises, so I ended up getting the mystery holiday bag, and it has 4 clips in it. And I love the way it has the little snowflakes. I'm excited to see which clips she put in. So here are the 4 little dangles, and they are so cute. I think this one is adorable. It looks like a little snowman on a green paper clip. And this one looks so real. Looks like it would be a real candy. It is so cute. Here is the other dangle. I love the little diamond accents and how it looks like a little Christmas ornament. And here is the last one. This one is really pretty too. The first time that I'm shopping with this shop, and this one is Danny's Planner Cuties. She included little stickers, and this is my first time buying die cuts. These are actually laminated, which I like. The present is a little too big for my planner, but I'm still going to figure out how to use it in my planner. And the Christmas tree and Tiffany cup fit perfect in the pockets, and I'm so excited to use these. They came out beautiful. The next shop is SK Illustrations. It's the first time that I placed an order with her, and I love the ways that she packaged my order. Super cute. I love the little handwritten thank you. This is so beautiful. So this is the freebie that I received with my order. It is so pretty. I love the colors. I can't wait to use it in my planner. This is so pretty. This is called In Paris with my Chanel bag. And the reason I picked this up is because the Eiffel Tower. It reminds me so much of how my grandpa used to sketch, and I miss him so much. I love all the little details, and she looks beautiful. I love Chanel, and I love this cute little detail. Here are the die cuts. I love these because they're simple. I've seen some that have way too much stuff around them, and these are perfect. My favorite one is the shopping bag with the camellia on it. So I placed another 2 orders, and I love her packaging. It's simple yet very cute. This was the freebie with my second order. I picked up another one of In Paris with the Chanel bag. This one is called Living by Coco Chanel, and I love all the little details in the handbag as well as the heels and the bows. It's just so pretty. I love the quote. It says, "Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself." Coco Chanel. This was my freebie with the third order. So I love Christmas, and I picked up this little 15 die cut stickers, and they are all so cute. I love the little details. I cannot wait to use these. I love that I can choose the hair color, so I chose brunette. This one is called Macaroons and Cupcakes. I love macaroons, and this just reminds me of like when you see in the movies Paris, a little cafe shop. And I love all the little details, the roses that she has on her heels and everywhere else. It's just so pretty. This is the pink holiday Christmas vellum. It's really light, so I'd have to put something behind it, but it's beautiful. This one is the dessert vellum, and I love the macaroons, so I had to get this one. But I love all the little details and the cupcakes. Everything just looks so pretty, and I definitely love that it has pink in it. There is a part 3. I'm just waiting on some items. This is everything that I bought. The shops will be listed down below. I love everything. I cannot wait to use it. So like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.